And now we'll discuss how to write the chemical formula. How to write the chemical formula of a compound by using so today we'll discuss
Na2S.
wait. I'm not. I want now today we'll discuss how to write the chemical formula by using crisscross method. First I'll explain one and today's class also your contribution should be 80%. I don't want to teach anything, just I'll explain very few points. Based on that, you should be in position to tell all. Suppose A comma B are two elements and they combine. How to write the formula of the compound formed between A and B? Only thing required, you should know the valences of the two elements A and B.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
the valency of A is 2 and the valency of B is 3. In the last two classes, we discussed the valencies of elements, valencies of cation, valencies of anion. That is the reason. If you know,
A3, B2.
if the good. If the valencies of A and B are 2 and 3, then the name itself indicates crisscross. The formula of this compound is A3B2. Suppose if the valencies of the two elements are same, A is 3 and B is 3.
AB, sir.
It's not A3B3. We should write the simple ratio of atoms. The formula of the compound is AB. So, nothing more than this. I don't want to explain anything more than this. Now, today, we'll write. ఇది చూడండి ఇది మినిమైజ్ చేస్తారా పిల్లల స్లైడ్ కనిపించట్లేదు నాకు కనిపించాలి నాకు యా స్టూడెంట్ I explain how to write the chemical formula of two formed between two elements or two ions. Now I given a very first slide. See, I think it is visible to you all. I given three in this. One is sodium sulfide, second one is potassium nitride, and third one is aluminum bromide. Is this visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll give 3 minutes. I'll give only 3 minutes time to you all, and after that I'll write the formula. You first write and check. Students, yesterday in the last class also I told accuracy is more important than speed. So first you try to write the formulas of these three. For three species, I'll give only 3 minutes. You write. After that, I'll discuss. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
write Bharat. Right. I think Bhumaitri last class కి వచ్చేవా నువ్వు
No,
భూమైత్రి
sir. No, sir.
ఏమ్మా ఒక రోజు క్లాస్కి వచ్చే రోజు రాకపోతే ఎలాగా వాట్ ఫర్ ఆల్ దీస్
Phone
యూ
problem, sir.
షుడ్ బి పంచువల్ క్లాస్ ఎప్పుడు మిస్ అవ్వకండి because now in the last class I discussed the formulas of cations and anions. You don't know the formulas of cations and anions. So then how can you write? How can you follow through this class? So that is the problem. So better don't miss the classes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Right. Nice. Ah. Okay. All of you. You want some more time or can I discuss or You want some more time?
Need some more time.
All right, nothing wrong in that, student. That's what I told already. Accuracy is more important than speed. You try to write on your own. Don't see the formulas what we discussed in the last class. Don't copy it from your note. In the first day only I told you read every day at least minimum 1 hour chemistry, 1 hour physics, 1 hour math. Then only you can follow. Then only you can reach your goal. If you know the formulas of sodium ion and sulfide ion, then it is very easy to write. Nisi, are you in the class? No. Is it okay, student?
Completed.
Very nice. See, can anyone tell the formula of sodium sulfide?
Na2S.
Na2S.
Right, excellent. Yeah, excellent. I'll show how to write. Listen, students. Sodium is Na plus. So its valency is nothing but the charge on that ion. So the valency of sodium is 1. And can anyone tell the formula of sulfide ion?
S2 minus.
Excellent. Excellent, Aishwarya. Then its valency is 2. Then how to write the chemical formula by using Criss-Cross method? This is
Na2S.
excellent. That's what is the formula of sodium sulfide. Any doubt, student? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Can anyone tell the formula of potassium nitride?
KNO2.
KNO2. KNO2.
Nitride. One thing, students, one thing remember. Ides are binary compounds.
K3N.
K3N, sir.
Ides, excellent, Saket. Wait. Aishwarya, you told something KNO2.
No, sir. I said K. No, sir. I said K3N.
Okay, Aishwarya, leave it. Someone told that it is KNO2. See this ide. Ides are always binary compounds. Binary compounds means formed between two elements only. So it is the compound formed between potassium and nitrogen. There is no oxygen in that. You should know that. Potassium formula is K plus. Valency is 1. Nitride is N3 minus. Valency.
N3 minus.
Is it okay? Any doubt, student?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Then can anyone tell the formula of potassium nitride?
KN3.
Hi. It's not
K3N.
It's not KN3. It's the method. K3N. Don't confuse. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then, can anyone tell aluminum bromide?
AlBr3.
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 Saket, Aishwarya, aluminum ion. I'll write here. Aluminum ion is Al3.
Al2Br3.
Bromide is 1. Then how
Yes,
can
sir.
Al Br.
Br3.
BR3.
So these three are the formulas of one is sodium sulfide, second one is potassium nitride, and third one is aluminum bromide. Any doubt in this, student? Please,
No, sir.
No, sir.
can I go to next board?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, this is another slide.
Sir, one switch.
Previous slide. Anyone want? Sonu?
Right.
Yes. Can you? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I go to next board?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then three more compounds.
2 minutes. Okay.
Sir, those are same, sir.
Okay. Now this is another slide which contains three ions. One more time, 3 more minutes I'll give. One is magnesium nitrate, second one is zinc nitrate, and third one, zinc nitrite. You should take care about that. Nitrite. And third one is ferrous sulfate. I given three. Students, I given three. I'll give 3 more minutes. You don't, one more time listen me students. If you want 5 minutes or 10 minutes you take, but you don't simply copy it from your note. You should know the formulas and valences of those ions. Don't simply copy it from your note students. Write on your own. Magnesium nitrate, zinc nitrite, ferrous sulfate. These are the three compounds I given. Now I'll give 3 more minutes. After that, we'll interact. You try to write. Ronit, you are not interacting. Ronit, నువ్వు మాట్లాడాలి. క్లాస్ లో కూర్చుంటే సరిపోదు. You should interact. If any doubt is there, you can ask even in the middle also. No, don't hesitate to clarify your doubt, students. If any doubt is there, you can interact. Shall I continue? Bhumetri, can you tell the name of the first, the formula of the first compound, magnesium nitrate? If you know, you tell, nothing wrong in that. Whether it is right or wrong, nothing to worry. Whatever you
Sir,
tell, you tell.
MgNO2, sir.
Okay. Any more? Sushant, can you?
Sir, me.
Bharat, please.
MgNO3 whole twice, sir.
Excellent, Bharat. Bharat, excellent. Magnesium ion is Mg2 plus. So valence is 2. Nitrate ion is NO3 minus. So valence is 1. Can you mute your mobile, please? Mute. Right. Ronit, you want to tell something? So the formula magnesium nitrate is MgNO3 twice. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ah. So, Ronit, you want to tell the formula of zinc nitride?
NO3 also.
Ronit, I want please repeat one more time.
Sir,
NO3 whole twice.
You tell clearly ZnNO2 or NO3?
NO3.
NO2, sir.
NO3 is
NO2 is NO3 is wrong, Ronit. You should know difference in the first case nitrate. You all told NO3 is the formula of nitrate ion and nitrate ion are same.
Zinc
Zinc is
NO3 twice.
excellent. Zinc
Z.
is. Ronit, you want to tell something? Nitrate ion formula, can you tell?
Nitrate.
Nitrite. What is there on the slide?
NO2 minus, sir.
NO2. Here it is nitrite. See, look at on the board. Then the formula is ZnNO2 twice,
NO2 whole twice.
not NO3. Everyone should know the difference between a nitrate ion and nitrite ion. Then can anyone tell ferrous sulfate?
FeSO4.
2 and 2.
FeSO4, sir.
Excellent. Ferrous is Fe2 plus, valency is 2. Sulfate ion is SO4 minus, valency is 2. So the formula of ferrous sulfate is
FeSO4.
FeSO4. Is it okay? Students, all of you, is the slide is okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I go to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, student. Then this is another. Is board is visible?
Please blur, sir.
Now it's
No,
okay.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Alright. I given 3 more and I'll give 3 more minutes. That's what I told. My contribution is only 20% in any class. Your contribution should be 80. Then only you can reach your goal. You interact with your teacher. You clarify your doubts. Don't hesitate to clarify your doubts because we are here to clarify your doubts only. Potassium manganate, barium permanganate, potassium perchlorate. These are the 3 compounds I given. I'll give 3 more minutes time to you all students. You, one more time I'm telling, don't go through your notes. You try to write on your own. Then after 3 minutes, I'll explain. I'll write the formulas. If anyone wants anything, clearly I can explain. Okay. Three excellent compounds I given: potassium manganate, barium permanganate, potassium perchlorate. Sushant, Ronik, whenever you want to ask something, then only you unmute your mobiles. Otherwise, please you mute your mobiles only. Is it okay, student? Aishwarya, you want to tell something?
No, sir.
Okay. Can anyone tell the formula of potassium manganate?
K
KMNO4. KMNO4.
Excellent, excellent student. KMNO4. How it is KMNO4?
Potassium is K plus.
Manganate
Manganese is-
ion is permanganate. Sorry, wait. Sorry, students. Very sorry. I asked manganate, not manganate. So KMNO4 is wrong.
one
Can anyone tell the formula of manganate ion?
K2MnO4.
I am asking manganate ion, Jaya. I am not asking the formula.
MnO4.
MnO4 charge, you should tell the charge, otherwise how can we write the valence? Minus 2. So valence is 2. So the formula is K2MnO4. All of you okay?
Yes, sir.
You should know the difference between manganate ion and permanganate ion. Permanganate is MnO4 minus. This is permanganate, student. This is manganate. Okay, now. So potassium manganate is not KMnO4. Potassium manganate is K2MnO4. Can
Okay, sir.
anyone tell barium permanganate?
BaMnO4 whole
twice.
Okay. Barium ion is Ba2 plus and its valence is 2.
Yes, sir.
Permanganate ion is MnO4 minus, valence is 1. Then formula is BaMnO4 twice. All of you okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt in the first and second one?
No, sir.
Then write third one. Potassium perchlorate.
KClO4.
KClO4, sir.
Excellent, yeah. Potassium is K plus. I'll write here. Potassium is K plus. Perchlorate ion is ClO4 minus. So both are monovalent. So the formula of potassium perchlorate is KClO4. If any doubt, you can ask. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I go to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, this is the next one. Is it visible to all? Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Then I'll give 3 minutes, 3 more minutes. You all try to write the formulas of these three compounds. After that, we'll discuss. Lithium bicarbonate, calcium bisulfate, lithium hydrogen sulfide. Write these. Students, I told so many times, better you all log in with your name so that it is easy to interact with you for a teacher. I should know, your teacher should know your name. You all better log in with your name, not with mobile names or not with some other, so that a teacher can call you and can interact with you. Okay. Can anyone tell? Shall I continue or you want some more time?
Continue, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell lithium bicarbonate?
LiHCO3.
LiHCO3.
Excellent, Jaya. Lithium ion is Li plus. So valence is 1. Bicarbonate ion is HCO3 minus. So again valence is 1. So the formula of the compound is LiHCO3. Bicarbonate can also be called as hydrogen carbonate, students. So we can call that as lithium bicarbonate or lithium hydrogen carbonate. Both are same. You better, I given bicarbonate, there you write the name of that compound, which is also called as lithium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, now? Is it okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Then, can anyone tell the second one?
CaHSO4 twice.
HSO4 voltage.
LiHCO4 twice.
Bisulfate, student, you should take care about this. Sulfate or sulfide? Sulfide.
CaHSO3 twice.
Calcium is Ca2 plus, valence is 2. Bisulfate or hydrogen sulfate, both are same. Just now I told, we can call that as calcium hydrogen sulfate also. And also call that as calcium hydrogen sulfate. You write that name also in your note. Calcium bisulfate or calcium hydrogen sulfate. See, then I can write the formula CaHSO4 twice. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then, can anyone tell lithium hydrogen sulfide?
LiHSO3.
See the difference between the previous one and this one. Bisulfate is HSO4 minus. Here I called hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is HSO3. So you should take care about. That is the only problem in IIT NEET like examinations. You should read the question clearly. I told so many times, students, don't unmute your mobile. So that creates a big disturbance for all, to all the students and as well as your teachers. Whenever you want to interact, then only you unmute and you ask. Right. So you should know the difference between sulfate and sulfide. So lithium hydrogen sulfate. Lithium ion is La plus. Hydrogen sulfide is HSO3 minus. So both are monovalent. So the formula is LiHSO3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can I go to next board?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. See this one. This is another set. Is it visible? Is my board is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll give 3 more minutes, students. You all write. Accuracy. Accuracy is more important. Nothing to worry about the speed. Automatically, if you are conceptually strong, automatically speed will come. But accuracy is more important, students, please. In the middle, if you have any doubt, you can interact with your teacher. You can interact with me if any doubt is there. Missy, are you in the class? Okay, students.
Na2O.
Na2.
Na2O2.
Na2O2.
Hey,
Na2O2.
wait, students, please mute all of you. Mute your mobile. Yesterday I given three formulas. One is oxide, second one is peroxide, third one is superoxide. Oxide, oxide ion is O2 minus. O2 minus is oxide. O2 2 minus is peroxide. O2 minus is superoxide. So don't confuse. Oxide is different, peroxide is different, and superoxide is different. Here I ask for sodium peroxide. Sodium ion is Na plus. Peroxide ion is O2 2 minus. Then can anyone tell the formula?
Na2O.
Na2O2.
Na2O2.
Na2O2. Someone told it is Na2O. How it is? Na2 O2 here this is. The formula of sodium peroxide is Na2O2. Can anyone tell potassium dichromate?
K2Cr2O7.
Excellent, yeah. Excellent. Potassium is K plus.
K plus.
Valency is 1. Dichromate is Cr2O7 2 minus. Valency is 2. So it is K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell calcium manganate?
CaMnO4.
KMNO for choice.
Calcium is Ca2 plus. Manganate. Can anyone tell the formula of manganate?
NaO4 2 minus.
2 minus.
2 minus, sir.
NaO4 2 minus.
Then are bivalent. Then calcium manganate formula is
CaMnO4.
excellent student. Good point. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I go to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I given three more. Is my board is visible?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Then you write. I'll give 3 more minutes. After that, after these two slides, today there is a surprise for you all. I'll show that what is the surprise, and you first complete this next board. After that, I'll tell what we will do in the class itself. Chemical form. Write the chemical formula of the three compounds. Sodium hypochlorite, ferrous oxalate, ferric nitrate. These are the three compounds given. Sodium hypochlorite, ferrous oxalate, ferric nitrate. Okay, na? Right. Is it okay, student? Or you want some more time?
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Can anyone tell the formula of sodium hypochlorite?
NaCl.
NaClO.
NaCl.
NaCl.
NaClO.
Sodium ion is Na plus, hypochlorite ion is. Can anyone
ClO
tell
minus.
hypochlorite?
ClO minus.
Yeah, ClO minus. So both are monovalent. The formula is NaClO. Is it okay? Hmm? Can anyone tell the formula of ferrous oxalate?
Fe2O4.
Fe2O4.
FeC2O4.
Electronic, good going. That is the thing required. So you should interact with your teacher. Ferrous ion, Fe2 plus. Its valency is 2. Oxalate ion, C2O2 minus. Both are bivalent. Then the formula of ferrous oxalate is FeC2O4. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ferric nitrate. Can anyone?
FeNO3 whole plus.
NO3 thrice.
Excellent. Ferric means Fe3 plus. Nitrate.
NO3 minus.
Then the formula is FeNO3 thrice. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this slide? Any doubt in this slide?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can I go to next?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is the surplus student. This is third class, I think. We discussed different parts. We discussed the atomic numbers of first 30 elements, valency, what is meant by valency, how to write the valency of the element, and then we discussed the formulas of anions, formulas of cations, and today we started crisscross method how to write. Now check where you are. Everyone please close your notebooks. Everyone
Yes, sir.
please close your
Closed,
notebook. You take one white paper or one rough notebook, or if not, last page in your last page of your notes. I given 9 questions here. This is what. Don't copy it from the notes. No one will ask you about your mark. It is for your sake only. It is for your sake only. నీకు ఎంతవరకు నువ్వు ఫాలో అవ్వగలిగావు, దట్ వాట్ ఈస్. I given 9 questions here. For every correct question 3 marks. For every negative question -1 mark. You just write like an examination. You take 10 minutes time. You take 10 minutes time and you write the
Okay,
formula. The question, write the formula of the following. I given 9. You write 9 formulas. Take 10 minutes. After that, I'll give the answer.
Sir, I can't see it properly. Can you tell me what the first one is?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell.
Superoxide.
Wait. Area. I'll tell. First, I'll tell the what to do. You write the answers of all the 9 questions. After 10 minutes, I'll give the answer to you. You only correct your paper. You give plus 3 marks for right answer and minus 1 for negative. So it's a 27 mark paper.
Okay, sir.
You want Aishwarya first? No, one more time I'm telling. Please, students, don't copy it from your notes. Please, all of you close your notebooks and better write in a white paper. Or if you want, you write in the last page of your notebook. You just write like an examination. First one is superoxide. I want the formula of the ions. That's it. Okay, now. I given 9. I don't want to disturb you. You don't disturb me. After 10 minutes, I'll discuss the answer. Please, everyone try to write. Everyone complete. Whatever you can, you write. That's it. This is an exam, student.
Sir, board is not visible, sir.
Both is not visible because due to me only. Now it's okay.
It's
yes,
blurred,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Blur.
అవునా ఇది పాపర బ్లర్ వస్తుందా బోర్డు కెమెరా ఇస్ ఇట్
No, it's okay, sir.
రైట్ నౌ ఇట్స్ ఓకే స్టూడెంట్
Yes, sir.
నౌ ఇందాలే బాగుంది నౌ నౌ ఓకే అలా ఉంచి
Yes, sir.
రైట్ సో I will not disturb you. You don't ask anything don't to chat with any other students. You try to just to know where you are. That's what the name is. Check where you are. After 10 minutes, I'll tell the answers. Right, students, please. Students, last 5 minutes. After this, don't tell anyone. I'll write the answers on the board. You just check your notes and you just give your mark. For every negative -1, what it means? If you know the correct answer, then only you write the answer. Otherwise, leave that and go to the next one. Don't attempt all. That is more important. Minimize the negative marking is very important in NEET and IIT like examination. Can I write the answer? All of you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Superoxide. O2 minus. Stannous. SN2 plus. Perchlorate. ClO4 minus. Nitrite. NO2 minus. Mercurous. I told in the last class, we can write Hg22 plus or you can also write as Hg plus. Nothing wrong, students. You can give correct mark for Hg22 plus as well as Hg plus. Cuprous, Cu plus, ferric, Fe3 plus, stannic, SN4 plus, permanganate, MnO4 minus. These are the 9 answers, students. I think only 2 ions which are not given in the notes, I given in the board. That's what is stannous and stannic. Stannous and stannic. Stannous is SN2 plus and stannic is SN4 plus. So I given 9. I think you all attempted this. How many are wrong? You just see the wrong part. You round that, and after the exam you go through one more time again through the anions and cations.
Sir, one round.
Sir, 2 wrong.
How many of you all the 9 are correct?
Sir, I got all correct.
Aishwarya, you got 9.
Yes, sir.
27 marks. Very nice. Okay, students, forget about that. That's what I told. No need to tell. Even 5 plus correct is also good. 5 plus correct is also good.
Sir, 8.
Only thing required, I told every day you read 1 hour chemistry, 1 hour physics after the classes, then only you can reach your goal easily.
Sir.
So, uh, 5 plus is right. No need to tell. You should know where you are. That's what my point. And next board, this is student. This is also another set. Check where you are. I given 9 questions here also. Write the valences of the following elements. For this, 9 minutes is not required, students, I think. I'll just give 5 minutes time to you all. You write the valences of all the 9 elements. The pattern is same for every question plus 3. And for every negative is, for every wrong answer is -1.
Sir, the board is
Start.
not visible.
Board is, maybe with your mobile the problem is. Students, is my board is visible to you all?
Now it's visible, sir.
Then right. I'll give 5 minutes time to you all. I given 9 elements. I want the valences of these 9 elements, students. Don't take periodic table. Don't go through your notes. You just try to write the valences. If you know the atomic number of this element and atomic number of this element.
Completed.
Please don't, please, those who ever రాస్తే కనుక keep quiet, కూర్చోండి. I'll tell the answers after 5 minutes. After that, you can correct.
Sir, first one 2, second one 3, third one
Hey, Mohan, who is that? Don't tell. Everyone is writing now. Time is now 5 minutes. Mohan, after 5 minutes, you only tell the answers. Nothing wrong in that. I think to write for this 5 minutes is no need actually. If everyone completed, then we can discuss and we'll go to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Still 1 more minute. 1 more minute is there. If you want, you take that 1 minute also, and after that we'll discuss. Is it okay, or you want 1 more minute? Students, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I write the answer? Yeah. Sulfur. Can anyone tell? Sulfur. Valency. 2, 4,
3, 4, 1,
3, 2,
3, 2, 1,
1, 3, 4,
4, 4, 3,
3,
3, 3, 4.
3, 4 is right. Ronit, you are correct. Yeah. How many are correct for you, Ronit?
Sir, 8.
8. Which one is wrong in that? Out of 8, in that? Out of 9, you told 8 is correct. Which one is wrong?
B. B is wrong.
Which one?
Which one?
Which
B.
one?
B. Which one?
8 one is wrong.
I told
One is
4,
wrong.
3.
Yeah, you told 4, 3. Then 2 are wrong for you. You told it is 4, 3, and now you told 1 is incorrect. If it is 4, 3, 2 should be correct.
2,
Na?
2, sir.
Excellent. Nothing wrong. Students, and tomorrow's homework, I'll show one board. You just write, and by tomorrow, everyone should complete this work and come. Please, see this board. I want the atomic weights of the first 20 elements by tomorrow. Then tomorrow we'll discuss how to calculate the molar masses. All of you write this board, and after that, 10 to 15 minutes is break. Your physics class starts at 9:45, students. So you write this board and you try to complete this homework by tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss how to calculate the molar masses of different compounds. So for that also, this crisscross method is very important. So you all practice all cations and anions, then it will be easy for tomorrow's class. So bye students, tomorrow we'll meet at morning 8:30. Okay.